Hi, let's see the first chapter in education, pre primary education. The pre primary education consists of children of age 3 to 5. Student is given knowledge about school life and is taught to read and write some basic words. It's not compulsory in the world. The children are introduced to alphabetical and mathematical concept, develop logical and reasoning skills, explore their surroundings, supervised gross motor activities. The founder of pre-primary education is Froebel. In 1837, he established a kindergarten school or the Garden of Children at Blankenburg. Blankenburg is a village in Germany. Systems of pre-primary education: kindergarten schools, Montessori schools, nursery schools, pre primary schools, Palwadi, Anganwadi, schools of unitary education, kindergarten. The founder of kindergarten is Froebel. He was a German educator. He has written The Education of Man, Pedagogies of Kindergarten, Mother Plays, and Nursery Songs. Montessori schools. It is founded by Maria Montessori. She came to India in 1940. She was an Italian lady doctor. She has written The Discovery of the Child and The Secret of Childhood. No rewards and no punishment is the system of Montessori education. She named her school Casa di Bamini, which means children home or school for children. Chindagripete Kalyanam Higher Secondary School follows Montessori method in Tamil Nadu. It is a sensory education method. The apparatus which was introduced for self correcting and self learning is didactic apparatus. Nursery schools. Founded by Margaret Macmillan from England. The nursery schools were promoted by the Sargent Report of 1944. Palwadi. It was promoted by the Godari Commission of 1966. In 1951, sorry, not 1950, 2000 Balwadis were started. Anganwadi. It was started in 1951. It was a supplementary for Palwadi. It is a child development and child welfare program for rural people. It works under ICDS. Full form of ICDS is Integrated Child Development Scheme. ICDS was started in the year 1975. The aims of ICDS is child health, nutrition and education. TNINP. The full form of TNINP is Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Project. It was started in the year 1980 at Madurai. The provision of nutritional food to children is prescribed by Indian Medical Research Institute. CMNP. The Chief Minister Nutrition Project was started in the year 1982. It was started at Tiruchi by MGR. Noon Meal Project was started at Toothukudi by Kamaraj in 1954. Wood's dispatch of 1854 laid the foundation for present system of education in India. It was also known as Magna Carta of Indian education. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.